Hey, this is Joe with H4H. We're doing a video here on a bathroom we just finished. Come check it out. As you may have seen in one of the previous videos, this bathroom was about halfway complete. Let's go over some of the finishes the client's chosen. They chose a deep soaker tub with a slab panel surround with a niche and matte black fixtures. Over here we have a 48-inch vanity with a top that matches the surround. They've also went with the matte black finishes. We have an oversized mirror with an agreeable gray wall and a bright white ceiling. They've also chosen to go with a dark wood flooring that matches the existing flooring downstairs. So if you have a bathroom, whether it's big or small, come check us out at H4H Remodeling and Repairs.com.